me see you dig around. What's in there? What's in there? Ah! Water!
Let's open another one. Water! Water? I got arms. Let's get this party started off. Mikey, start moving. Mommy, I got Lotso.
All right, woo! Lotso. All right, Lotso wants to party. All right, who else do we have in there?
Ham.
Ham, woo! Oh yeah. What else you got in there?
I got this.
What's that?
Ham.
Oh, we got a surprise package. It's ham. All right, back there we have the violations that we already have. So it looks like we found another one.
She got another
What do you
one.
got? Oh my God, who is this?
Oh, goodness.
This is Dolly. All right, we're going to open it on the end. Go ahead, see what else you got in this party bathtub. Go. All right, woo! What else is in there, guys? Yeah, the alien. Woo! Let me see. Age, you got Rex? All right, Rex is the party. He's the party animal. Woo! What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Anything else?
Buzz.
Buzz! Woo for Buzz! Yay! You ready? Buzz is gonna do a cannonball!
Oh.
Woo!
Hey, let's make more toys.
What else is in there, guys? Where's the rest of it?
I'm getting this egg.
Alright, what's in there? Nothing! Any more toys in there?
I don't see any toys. I don't see any toys, Mommy.
No?
No.
There's another toy, I think.
Two more.
Mommy, I did the egg.
Oh, a golden egg! Is there anything in that? Anything? No! Come on, feel around. Move those eggs.
I found something.
What'd you find?
Buttercup.
Buttercup! All right, for Buttercup! Yay! Anything else?
Checking the back, Mike.
I think we got one more. Yeah, we got one more.
Mikey. What do we got?
Jessie.
The black and white Jessie. Look, Age, we got the black and white Jessie.
Hey, look.
Yeah, she could go with the black and white Woody that we got before. Yay!
Yay! Yes!
Alright, so those are the Toy Stories that we got the last time, our Violations, right? We got Bullseye, we got Jessie, we got the black and white Woody, and we got Big Baby, right, guys? Alright, so now the toys that you guys just found today.
We got new ones.
Yeah, who is this?
Dolly.
Oh, we got Dolly.
That's the one Adrian wanted.
Adriana, here you go. You wanted Dolly? She's so cute. Yay for Dolly. Alright, and who is this guy?
Ham.
Alright, we got Ham.
I wanted him.
You did?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so we got Ham. And who else did we got?
Buttercup. I wanted that one, actually.
You wanted Buttercup?
Yeah.
So we got Buttercup. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So cute for Buttercup. And that, is that it? Oh, no. And don't forget.
No.
Who's this?
Water.
Yay, we got the black and white Jessie to go with the black and white Woody. This is
Mommy,
so
there's
cute.
water came in there.
I know. so here are all our surprises in our bath explosion with our surprise eggs. All of our violations from Toy Story. Look at Lotso, he's so funny. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Stay tuned for more Mikey Likes It.